Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by fixing the basics that actually cause most tracking issues. Power cycle the Quest 2 and the Oculus app, then confirm firmware is updated. This often resolves software drift. Next, clear the play space and remove mirrors or glossy surfaces because reflections confuse the cameras. Clean each of the 4 tracking lenses with a microfiber cloth, and then position even, diffused lighting, bright but not direct, so the cameras get consistent contrast for tracking. Once done with basics, move into adjustments that affect how the system interprets movement. Recalibrate the Guardian and recenter your view from settings right arrow device so boundaries and origin are fresh. Make sure the headset strap fits snugly and IPD is set correctly. A shifted headset misaligns cameras and causes jitter. Then toggle hand tracking and controller tracking to force a re-init. Finally, run a simple calibration or tracking test app to observe behavior. To finish, use targeted fixes. Replace the controller's CR2032 batteries and rule out low power as a cause. If problems persist after all adjustments, consider a factory reset. Back up your account first, because it clears corrupted settings. Also test the headset in another room with different lighting to determine if environmental factors are to blame. If the issue remains, collect diagnostic logs and contact Meta support for advanced troubleshooting or RMA. Troubleshooting tip: eliminate direct sunlight and reflective surfaces first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.